Passwords are officially dying, and most people have no idea what's replacing them. Here's why this matters for every single account you own. In 2022, Apple, Google, and Microsoft made a joint announcement that shocked the cybersecurity world. They all agreed to support a new technology called passkeys, built on a standard called FIDO2, developed by the FIDO Alliance starting back in 2013. And this isn't just a minor upgrade. This is the most fundamental shift in how humans authenticate online since passwords were invented in 1961 at MIT. So what actually is a passkey? Think of it as two mathematically linked keys. One lives on your device, locked behind your fingerprint or face scan. The other lives on the website's server. Neither key is ever transmitted over the internet. Never. When you log in, your device simply proves it has the private key by solving a cryptographic challenge. No password ever crosses the wire. Compare that to how passwords work today. When you type your password, it travels across the internet to a server. Even with encryption, that server stores some version of your credential. In 2023 alone, over 8 billion credentials were exposed in data breaches according to the Identity Theft Resource Center. With passkeys, even if a company's entire server gets breached, the attacker gets nothing useful. There's no password to steal. But here's where it gets really interesting. Phishing, which accounts for 36% of all data breaches according to the 2023 Verizon Data Breach Investigations Report, becomes virtually impossible with passkeys. Phishing works by tricking you into entering your password on a fake website. But passkeys are cryptographically bound to the exact domain they were created for. If you created a passkey for Google.com, it will literally refuse to work on G00GLE.com. The fake site gets nothing. Zero. The math just doesn't work out for the attacker. Google ran an internal study with 50,000 of their own employees. They replaced physical security keys with passkeys and found that login success rates went up while support tickets related to authentication dropped by over 50%. Microsoft reports that passwordless sign-ins now account for over 330 million logins per month on their platform. The adoption curve is accelerating fast. Now here's the dark side nobody talks about. Passkeys introduce device dependency. If someone steals your phone and knows your PIN, they potentially have access to every passkey stored on that device. Apple, Google, and Samsung all sync passkeys to their cloud ecosystems, which is convenient but also means your iCloud account becomes a master key to everything. Security researchers at Carnegie Mellon University published findings in 2024 warning that passkey sync introduces new attack surfaces at the cloud account level. So the threat doesn't disappear. It just moves upstream. There's also the account recovery problem. Forget your PIN, lose your device, get locked out of iCloud? You could lose access to dozens of accounts simultaneously. The industry hasn't fully solved this yet. But despite these challenges, the consensus among cybersecurity professionals is clear. Passkeys are dramatically safer than passwords for the vast majority of people. The average person reuses passwords across 14 accounts according to a NordPass 2023 study. Passkeys are unique by design. You literally cannot reuse them. So what should you actually do right now? Enable passkeys on every site that offers them. Google, Apple ID, GitHub, PayPal, and Best Buy already support them. Check your device's password manager settings today. And critically, make sure your Apple, Google, or Microsoft account has strong recovery options set up, because that account is now your most important digital asset. The password era isn't just ending. It's ending faster than almost anyone expected.